Everyone, welcome to my channel. After the bus tour, we stop here in the Eiffel Tower. Here, let's come and see and join me so that you can also see the place. As you can see that na ay mga sundalo, garubing sila. I think they are on the way to the Eiffel Tower. Siguro ilang bantayan. Guard sila monitor. As you know, or as you see in my video there in the Eiffel Tower part 1, you can see that the Eiffel Tower is with a fence na siya coral. So, kani sila, murag gabantay ni sila sa Eiffel Tower. Kay ang Eiffel Tower mangkod ang one of the best tourist cute nga spots diri nga bisitahon sa mga tao. So imagine in one day 25,000 ka mga tao ang musaka diha sa Eiffel Tower. So inana ka
I never been here before.
Kuan ang kasikat ang Eiffel Tower diri sa Paris. That's why naagit siya mga sundalo nga kabantay or police baka siguro na sila, di ko sure. So humana man mi og saka din ha sa taas, paingo dito sa tumoy, ikatulo to siya katong dito sa tumoy, ikatulong kung sa bagaan dana. So diri nga area muni siya ang anhion sa mga tao diri o diri sila magstambay. Pwede ka mag-picnic diri, mag-bring og imong mga pagkaon, and at the same time tantawon nimo ang Eiffel Tower. Kay nindot man gud ang Eiffel Tower tan-awon kung diri ka dapita. Even sa taas, kung dito ka sa taas, makita nimo ni siya nga area. Diri ang nindot.
I think at night very nice, no?
Imong anhion. When I was here before in 2005, wala ko kaanhi diri dapita. That's why gianhig na ko para akong ma-experience kay daghan jud tao diri mag-standby. Siguro kung walay COVID-19, grabe siguro kay kadaghan diri dapita. Kay summer man gud. So daghan diri dapita mag-standby, mag-picnic. And then, as you can see dito, dapita sa Eiffel Tower, coral na siya. And then, pwede po ka mutabok, paingon din ha. Kana siya is one of the tourist spots also. So, muadto mi ditong dapita. And then, akong ipakita sa inyo, luag ang ilang area, kani siya nga area, luag ang ilang area nga stambayanan. Pwede pod ka mo ana diyang dapita pero wala namin nakaanha diyang dapita. Diri rami sa ilang park. Diri mi nagstambay. Makita nimo nga daghan mga tao nagstambay diri nang-relax. And ang uban ga video wa ko kay balo kung taga diri ba ni ang nangani diri, bisan siguro ang uban taga diri, ang uban mga tourist. Kay after nila dito sa Eiffel Tower, munaog na sila and then maano na sila diring dapita. So nindot siya diri, nindot siya so far diring dapita. So we stand by here for a little while and we take a video for as memory because it is by God's grace that we are here. We are able to come here. Everything is by God's grace and by God's favor. So, ako lang issue sa inyo ang among mga gipangbuhat diri na ipakita nako sa inyo ang place sa Eiffel Tower, and I enjoy so much also. For fun only, jumping. So, wala na yung mga lingaw sa kinabuhi. Praise the Lord. Just only for fun. Because I'm not sure, I cannot come back here again, I think. I'm not sure. So, it depends. So, it was by God's will and grace and favor that I was able to come back here again for the second time here in Eiffel Tower. But in this place, first time na ako pag-ani diri dapita because dito ra mi sa Pikas. Pag-ani na mo diri dapita, limited to siya kay December tugnaw. So, and dito ra mi sa Pikas kay actually ang Paris is big. So, you cannot roaming around in just a few days. So, if you want, you can come back here and look for another area, for example. So, ako lang ikuan sa inyo kay last na mo ni siyang tour bus. Then we stop here, and then after here we continue to ride in a bus going back. So this is my what we are doing here. In myself, I enjoy a lot. Thanks God. But it is only a memory because it's not all the time that I do that. But sometimes also it's good also to smile, enjoy, not always to be serious because I'm always serious in real life, serious. So it's good also to show it here my video that sometimes I make fun. And the place also of Paris in the Eiffel Tower, if you are not in the inside in the Eiffel Tower, if you are not going up, pero makita dyan po ni mo ni siya kung naa ka sa Eiffel Tower ha, kung musaka ka sa Eiffel Tower. So pwede dyan pong kadiri lang, dili na ka maato sa Eiffel Tower, musaka, pero mas nindot yun kung maka-experience po ka nga musaka dito, especially for children also. And also diring dapita, nindot gini siya diring dapita so far sa tinuod lang. So it's good to experience coming here if you visit here in Paris and enjoy. The more also, I recommend also if you want to come in Paris, we are now riding back in the bus going to the hotel. So this is another area that you can see. So continue watching, and we are a little bit late in going back. I was thinking that the bus will up to like 8 o'clock in the evening or 9 o'clock in the evening like before when I was here, but that was long ago. But now they have a limit of the time. So if you will come here and visit around, they have a limit of time, only 6 o'clock. So let's see where we stop. If we can reach to the closer to the metro where the hotel is. So let's see first the rest of the place of Paris where we pass by. Nice kaayo, oh, kani nga building, nice kaayo. Actually, there are many nice place in Paris so far as I see, no? by riding a tour bus. So it's nice to ride a bus. Only medyo may kamahalan talaga siya, especially kung marami kayo. So but you can see also the whole tourist area by riding a bus. So continue watching and so that you have an idea sa Paris. So kung maanhin mo, so makita ninyo ang lugar sa Paris. Imagine guna nimo ambot kung tinuod ba na siya nga gold, I don't know. Kana siyang sa ibabaw ana. So inani mauni siya ang Paris. So continue watching till to the end. And then if you are not yet subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you will be updated if I upload the video. By now I want to upload all my travel in Paris because I still have there in my iPad, and I want to finish this one uploading. I still have a few, so I have to finish this so that I can put another video, not travel in Paris anymore. Or maybe if we can travel this year, I don't know if we can travel because it is now autumn here, so it's cold, but we never know. So I want to share all the places where we've been here in Paris so that I can show you also the place of Paris, so you have an idea kung muanhi mo din asa mo adto. Kay wala ko nag-expect ani nga mag-video ko inani, wala. I just make a video because it's a remembrance, a memory. And then I have a video to watch that year, for example like this one. So that's why I also share it to you para naapod mo makita. And kung maanhi mo diri na namoy mga idea nga inani day ang hitsura sa Paris. They have a nice building so far. And after this one, we do walk a lot. I still have a video where we are in the mall. So I can also share it. So if you like more on fashion, so yeah, if you have a chance to come here, visit in Paris and other parts of Paris, because Paris is big. And I can also recommend the Disneyland in Paris. If you can, you have to visit in the Disneyland Paris, especially if you have a children, because it's very nice there. It's not only one day there, maybe 2 days. I think they have also a hotel there, so very nice. As you can see here, this is the center also where a lot of store. They have a lot of store here, but only it's expensive.
Yeah, gallery my love. Here. Gallery
So it's nice also if you are in a bus and you are inside in the window with close so that it's not bothering on the wind.
Yeah.
But see to it you are in the second
Ah, this is the
floor
last trick, no?
so that you can see the whole So these are the place of Paris. As you can see the buildings, look at the building, very small building, but they really occupy this one. As you can see it, very ano siya, gihimo nila nga street bitaw. Grabe gid nila ang unique diri is ang building ang ilang yuta ilag yung gi-occupy ba sa building pag build para daghan kaayo makapuyo. I don't know kung diri ka magpuyo. I don't know. I think it's nice if you live not in the city, I think, because look at, if ever you live in the third floor or the fourth floor, I think it is do you think it is not noisy when the cars is passing by? Because I think at that third floor it is houses there, apartment. I think it's nice if you live a little bit farther from the city, in my own opinion only. But of course, if you live here, so much work you can find it here. But I like also their buildings. It's nice. It's nice building. So the design. So this is Paris. We stop somewhere here because the bus is only up to here. The driver said we cannot go farther. That's why we walk after we stop somewhere else here, maybe far away a little bit. And then I still have a video where we walk going to the hotel because we cannot ride in a metro here. There is a metro here, but we don't know anymore where it is because it's a little bit far from the hotel where we stay. So beware. You have to ask if until what time the end, because it's only 6 o'clock. Remember, 6 o'clock in the evening here, but still it's light. It's not dark. So by 8 o'clock, it's starting dark. It's starting night, 8 o'clock. So that's the reason that we walk, because the bus stop and they will not go farther because they will end up. I think only here they will end up.
This is the last stop.
This area. Then we walk. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe because we go outside in the bus
Maybe this is the last stop.
and we find a way to go to the hotel. Where is the hotel? God bless everyone. See you in my